Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the accessory chrome package with chrome door handle inserts, chrome fins on the hood, brushed aluminum running boards, 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim. Panorama sunroof. 3-way climate control for the front, center, and third row. Trailer hitch. GLS 450 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Fold down third row seats. Lane tracking package with active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist, premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel, illuminated door sill, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLS has 37,869 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.